My homeboy Marcus used to say he'd start investing when he had real money. Not $20, not $50, real money. So he waited, and waited, and you know what happened? Life kept spending it before he ever got the chance. That's not a Marcus problem. That's a mindset problem, and today we're fixing it. My name is Jimmy, and you're watching Money Mechanics, where we break down real money moves for real life situations. Drop a subscribe and let's get into it. So picture this. It's payday. You got $40 left after bills, groceries, and that one dinner you probably shouldn't have ordered. $40 feels pointless to even think about investing, right? That's exactly what they want you to think. Because here's what nobody told Marcus, and what I'm telling you right now, the amount doesn't matter as much as the action. Starting with $40 teaches your brain something that $4,000 can't buy later. It teaches you that you are someone who invests. That identity is everything. Now let's talk mechanics, because this is money mechanics after all. When most people think investing, they picture some guy in a suit staring at charts all day. That is not you. That is not me. And honestly, that guy is probably losing money anyway. What actually works for regular people is simple. You find a broad index fund, think of it like a shopping cart that automatically holds tiny pieces of hundreds of companies at once. Apple, Amazon, Google, Nike, all of it. In one purchase, you're not gambling on one company. You're buying into the whole game. Apps like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or even your employer's 401k let you start with as little as $1. No excuses left on that one. Here's where the story gets real though. 3 months in, Marcus, same guy, finally started, put in $35. Then the market dipped, and his $35 turned into $29. He called me panicking. Jimmy, I'm losing money. I told him, nah, you're on sale right now. Keep going. See, a market dip is like your favorite pair of Jordans dropping in price. Nothing broke. The shoe didn't change. It just got cheaper for a minute. The people who sold in a panic, they locked in the loss. The people who held, or better yet, bought more, came out ahead when prices bounced back. Marcus held. 3 years later, that $35 is part of something much bigger. Not because he got lucky, because he stopped waiting for perfect and just started. Your move is simple. This week, not next week. This week, open a free investing account. Put in whatever you have, even $10. Set up an automatic transfer for whatever you can afford monthly, even if it's small. Then leave it alone and let time do the heavy lifting. You don't need more money to start, you just need to start.